Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add favorites to your Binance spot trading platform. So open up Binance and go to markets. Then click on spot, and here you can see all the different pairs that Binance has on the spot trading platform. And for example, if you want to add one to your favorite so you can monitor it and have quick access to it, you just hold on to it like such, for example on clay, and you can just click favorite. Once you've done that, you can go back to favorites, and here you just need to refresh it. It will pop out right down below. Of course, you can reorganize them by name, last price, 24-hour change, etc. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.